day, everyone. So this is my fiance MIO i125 M3, and the story behind this is naiwan siya sa kapatid, to help her sister to have a service. So anyway, this is me trying to restore it. So first of all, as you notice, most of the bolts are missing. Dati naka-tie gold bolt siya, and yung iba nasa iba't ibang lugar na siya, and this is actually the first day na kinuha ko siya, and nilinis ko siyang maigi. Okay, so as you notice, nasira din nila yung front tire cover or Tapalodo. They bought a replacement, but iba nga lang kulay, so doesn't match the original color. It's way lighter. Okay, and yung andun pa yung other piece. So here's the final product of my wash. So ni-remove ko siya para malinis ko yung likod at yung ilalim, and there you go. And kinabukasan, manap ako ng shop online where I could buy a battery. So, and I thought it was a battery, and turns out the start switch is actually broken because wala daw garahe to eh. So ulan init, maybe sa tagal na rin ng start switch. So I'll post another video for that. See you there.